Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Annalie, and today's video, guys, I'm going to unbox my husband's phone, which is iPhone 13 Pro Alpine Green. Yeah, 'di ba ako sa kanya na phone ako nag-unbox. So, yeah, I like the color Alpine, and this is my husband's choice, or he chose this kind of color because it's unique, guys. And yeah, this one here, let's ano na siya ha. Actually it comes with this box, inopen na niya, and yeah, so here at the back may two stickers siya, so let's take it off. By the way, if you are new here, guys, I do some vlogs, unboxing, nursing, my lifestyle here in Texas. So if you are interested, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my video. So ayan, guys, whoa, my gosh, I like it. As if it's mine. And here, it's so pretty. It comes with charger and what is this? Pen, and I think the manual. It's in here. All right. Yeah, that's so pretty. I'm just gonna show you. Ayan, oh, diba may mga mark na. Ayan, it's really cool. Yeah. And here you go. Tada! Ayan, nakita na yung ring light ko, diba? So pretty. So let's open this one, guys. I think I need to charge. And ayan pala, guys. Oh. Charger, and same volume, the mute in here too. So that's all, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, please do please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.